Hello guys, welcome to this video. This video is going to take us through how to run the Pi node. The first thing to do is to install the Docker. You install the Docker. So go to your browser and type docker.com. Docker.com. Yes, docker.com. And they should take you to this page. Ideally, it should be the first one. Select the first one. You need to select the first one, okay? And then scroll down. Yes, scroll down. If you are using Mac, you have to install Mac. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to install for Windows. Yes, so I'll download for Windows, and they should take me few minutes, depending on your internet and your system. It should take you a couple of minutes. Yes, so let's wait for it to be downloaded. Please guys, subscribe to my page, please. Subscribe to my page. Thank you very much. Yes. All right, it's downloaded now. Let's open it. Go to your downloads or wherever you are keeping your download files. Then you open the installer, the Docker installer. Either you double click or you right click and click open for it to install. Yes. And just as any other installation is done, yeah, so you have to agree on some things, select next, just leave it by default, and then you start the installation. The installation should also take a couple of minutes depending on your system specifications and how better your internet is. If your internet is fast, yeah, few minutes it should be done. Yeah, so let's wait for it to install. Once again, guys, please subscribe to my page. Thank you. All right, so it's going to take few minutes to install. Yes, just few minutes to install. Let's wait for it. Okay, I think done. Yes, so just open it and then you'll launch it or start it. You have to accept some few conditions, so you allow it to relaunch or to launch. Excuse me, to launch, and then yeah, so you accept that condition. Then yeah, just next. Some of these things you can skip them. You can just click on skip, and then yeah. If you are a student, yes, you have to. Or if you are not, just click on the skip, and if you don't want to like log in, register, just click on skip. That it doesn't matter. Yeah, so once you are done, our Docker is ready. The next thing is to install the Pi node. Yes, that's the next thing to be done. After installing the Docker, you need to install the Pi node. So again, you go to your browser and look for these websites. Type exactly as that. Yes. And then download. I'm going to download for Windows because I'm using Windows. So depending on what the system you are using, just download it for that system. The downloading should also take few minutes, and once it is done, when the downloading is done, it will automatically start the installation, and that will also take few minutes. All right. So let's wait for it to download, and then we continue. All right, few minutes here. Okay, I think it's done. I think it's done. All right, so yes, it's installing, and the installation will also take few minutes. And or a few seconds or a few minutes, depending on your system, depending on your system. Yes, so it's installed. It will automatically open, start running. Yes. So let's start. Yes, so it's going to generate a code for you. Yes, so you open your app on your phone and then go to menu Pi node and then use the same code in the column that is provided. Use the same code there in this column. Then, yes, once you are done, then you'll be connected. Your node will be connected to your Pi account. Okay. Okay, yes, done. Yes, done. Yeah. Again, you have to apply to run the node. You can not just start running the node. So you click on start. It will take you to the application. So you have to apply as a node candidate. So these are few steps. Just follow these few steps and select the best option for you. And your location is very important. So because I live in Japan, so I'm going to select yeah, in terms of location, I'm going to let me see. Yeah, I'm going to select Japan as my location. All right. Yeah, so these simple stuffs. Japan. Okay. Right. So once you are done, just apply. Okay. Once the application is accepted, yeah, so my application is accepted. So I can now start my node. So start and then click on this button to start running the node. Yeah, look at our Docker. If you see that our Docker is realize that the Pi testnet 2 is running. Yes, so it means our node is running now perfectly. It should take some time. It should take some time to synchronize, like, because yeah, there are so many blocks ahead, so it should take some time to synchronize. But then we have outgoing connections, about 8 outgoing connection, no incoming connection because we've not opened our ports. So if you open the ports, you should have incoming connections too. Yes, so that's all. That's very simple how to run the node, Pi node. Please, thank you very much, and please subscribe to my page. Thank you for running for running the node, and thank you for building Pi together with the Pi core team. Together we shall grow the Pi. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.